Hi guys, welcome to a new and fresh amazing video of our channel Cool Gadgets. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 amazing camping gadgets which you have to take before you going for traveling or camping. So watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Ambassador, the personal interpreter. Introducing Ambassador, the highest quality interpreter for professionals and travelers of all backgrounds. From training to travel, group to solo, the Ambassador allows you to smooth conversation free from the constraints of language barriers. Sleek and specially designed over-the-ear interpreter engineered to translate speech with higher accuracy than any other tool on the market. You can pair up to 4 Ambassador to a smartphone. It will help you a lot for discovering famous and local places by contacting with local people. It is extremely easy to use and can be set up in moments. Just pair it with your smartphone via its iOS or Android app and can enable 3 various modes. Ambassador uses an advanced far-field microphone array to capture speech with astounding levels of clarity. It then seamlessly compresses and transmits the speech signals to its cutting-edge cloud-based neural network engines to recognition, translate and synthesize the speech into a new language to deliver fast, fluid and highly accurate translations. Second, Rebo, the smart bottle. We all know that how much plastic is spread on our planet and continuously spreading this is very harmful for nature. By taking a small step, we can reduce some plastic pollution. Presenting Rebo, the smart bottle which cleans the planet as you drink. When you drink the whole Rebo bottle, one plastic bottle collected. From drinking with Rebo regularly, you can prevent 1,000 plus new plastic bottles from being produced and wasted and clean up 1,000 plus already wasted plastic bottles from polluting the environment. It works on a simple mechanism. When you drink one bottle from your Rebo, the Rebo app records the amount of bottles drunk and Rebo app shows how many plastic bottles you have saved by using Rebo. For every bottle drunk from Rebo, the company funds the collection of one plastic bottle polluting our environment. The funds generated with Rebo go to plastic banks, which place collectors in emerging countries based on the weight of plastic they collect. It also consists of a time of flight sensor which sends a wave to measure water level. Its battery lasts long for 2 months. Third, Talon, camping and outdoor chair. When camping outside at night, there is a major problem of enjoying the view relaxedly and most important, sleeping. Here this problem can be solved with light fiber chair. Its size when folded is 4 into 4 into 16 inches. When stored in pouch 5 into 5 into 5.5 into 18 inches. When used 20 by 15 by 38 inches, it can bear up to 22 lbs of weight. It will access your twill 360 degrees to enjoy all the view. Compact enough to carry around in your backpack or throw them in the back of your car and take it along where you will go. Frames made using airplane grade 7001 beryllium provides the foundation for a durable yet lightweight product. Seat covers made using high quality 600D polyester fabric are water repellent and waterproof. 4. Zero Breeze Mark II battery powered AC. Meet the world's first battery powered AC Zero Breeze Mark II by Zero Breeze for camping cooling needs. The most essential portable air conditioner in the tent, RV and truck. A real air conditioner that helps you to cool the surroundings, fast to combat summer hotness. It can cool up to 16 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes. Mark II consists of 630 watt battery system which provides it 5 hours of running time. It is portable and lightweight. Mark II supports USB-C port for charging. It costs minimum voice from the other portable AC. Zero Breeze Mark II is especially suitable for camping and other occasions like RV trailer, truck stops with sleepover, garage and boat fishing. In a word, your summer will be much cooler with Zero Breeze Mark II by your side. Zero Breeze Mark II generates 2 into strong cooling power with 2300 BTU per hour and 40% higher cooling efficiency than before. In just 5 minutes, the powerful compressor is able to reduce the outlet air temperature by 20 degrees Fahrenheit or 11 degrees Celsius. The air volume is increased by 53% from 100 CFM to 153 CFM. Also, brushless DC motor generates powerful airflow while using less energy and reduce the noise level to less than 40 dBA in sleep mode. 5th, Pure Flame Mini, the ultimate camping companion. Pure Flame Mini foldable camping stove not only helps you cook during any outdoors adventure but also can turn fire into electricity and stores it in onto the battery to power your USB device. With a compact design, you can effortlessly store it in your backpack for various outdoor activities. The idea behind Pure Flame Mini G is simple. Using natural resources for fuel such as twigs, pine cones, or other biomass found outdoors to build a fire with this. The thermoelectric power generator will turn the heat into electricity, then use a portion of the electricity to power fans that helps of the fire burn cleaner, hotter and keep making power. Pure Flame Mini can give you more than 10 hours fan service time. Pure Flame Mini G can generate electricity from the fire and store it into the built-in battery to use time and time again when away from a power source. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update of cool gadgets.